We just pulled up on a spot here and I threw out a big old skipjack head, and it wasn't out no time and this fish hit. I don't know what he is, but he's swimming upriver. I know it's a flathead though. But we are in some thick cover and I bet he's gonna get entangled if I ain't careful. So he's trying to go upriver. Let's see what he is. There's a little current there. He might not be as big as I think he is, but he's a good fish regardless. Look at that pole bend. Oh yeah, nice flathead. Nice flathead. That's why we come to West Virginia. The Ohio River here in West Virginia has some nice flatheads in it. Man, isn't he gorgeous? Look at it. Awesome. Awesome, awesome fish. Oh, yeah. Must-had hook, had him in good shape. Yep, number one, that's the first fish of the day. We pulled up in this thick cover. We'd fished a ledge with no luck. We pulled up on this heavy cover here and threw a big head out, and he hit it in no time. That's the kind of fish you can catch in West Virginia, guys. Ooh, look at him go. I take fish like this every day. Real nice West Virginia fish. All right. Well, if that ain't a hog, I don't know what is. I mean, I've caught bigger fish, but the quality of fish here in this river, where the commercial fishermen don't fish, is astonishing. Look at it. Hell yeah. Let's go find another one. Guys, if you're tired of fooling around Kentucky, West Virginia's got what you're looking for here. Look at a flathead. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Yeah, I can remember 5 years ago, down in the Louisville area where I'm from, you could catch stringers like this in a tournament. It's not looking so good nowadays. Number unlucky 13. This is 13 fish we caught today. Just a couple hours, all the same size. I'm telling you, usually I come down this stretch of river, and I remember 5 years ago you could come down this stretch of river and catch at least a 30 pounder, an occasional 40, 50, and even 60, but this is what the river's full of now. It worries me. Get some big flatheads and blues. The Ohio River that borders West Virginia is where you need to do it. Flatheads on fresh cut bait. Using big baits during post-spawn. But you need to remember the conservation part of this. These big fish don't come every day, so it's best to turn them loose